If you think getting rich means earning more money, you have already lost. The real game is completely different. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Imagine a world where your money grows while you sleep, where your wealth doubles, triples, or even multiplies by 10 without doing anything. Sounds like a dream? This is reality. Millions use this system every day, yet 99% of people have no idea how it actually works. In school, they told you, get a good job, save money, put it in the bank. But that is only half the story. They never told you the rest. $10,000 in savings becomes only $16,000 in 10 years. Just $6,000 profit. Is that really wealth building or wasting time? They never told you the real secret, what rich people know and poor people do not. It is called compounding, and it is not just interest, it is exponential growth. Invest $1,000 monthly at 10%. First year, $12,600. Okay, that seems normal, right? But watch what happens next. After 10 years, $205,000. 20 years, $760,000. And after 30 years, $2.27 million. You only invested $360,000, but got $2.27 million. This is not magic. This is math. The math nobody ever taught you. But here's the crazy part. Most people fail even knowing this. Why? Here are the 3 deadly mistakes. First, starting too late. Start at age 25, $2.27 million. But start at 35, only $760,000. Just 10 years cost you $1.5 million. Deadly mistake number 2, stopping in the middle of your journey. The last 10 years are where the most explosive growth happens. If you quit early, you miss the biggest returns. Do not stop. Deadly mistake 3, settling for low returns. This is huge. 10% versus 15%. Just a 5% difference, right? Wrong. 10% equals 2.27 million. 15% equals 7 million, almost 5 million more. This is the power of compounding and its terrifying side. Now you're thinking, where do I get 15% returns? This is where most people give up. They choose the safe options. Bank accounts give only 2 to 5%, equal to inflation. Your money is not growing. It is staying the same or actually shrinking. The real secret is diversified investing. Listen carefully. Mutual funds, 12 to 15% returns long-term. Stock market, 15 to 20% with disciplined investing. Index funds, safe and steady 10 to 12% returns. You don't need to be an expert. Use dollar cost averaging. The market goes up or down, you average it out. Smart. But here's what everyone ignores. Biggest game changer. Hidden impact 1, time value of money. This changes everything. Today's $10,000 buys what cost $20,000 in 10 years. But compounding turns it to $26,000. You crushed inflation. Hidden impact 2, financial freedom. Imagine this life. Your passive income exceeds expenses. No boss, total freedom. This is not a dream. It is mathematics, real and achievable. 2 million and 10% equals $16,000 per month passively. Hidden impact 3, generational wealth, building a legacy. Your $10,000 becomes $100,000 for your kids and $1 million for grandchildren. This is legacy power. This is not just money. It is legacy, generation-changing power. So why isn't everyone doing this? Your mind is the enemy. Psychological trap 1, instant gratification, the pleasure trap. Spending now feels good, but brains ignore long-term wealth building. Trap 2, loss aversion. People panic when markets drop, but those who stayed after 2008 got 5 times returns. Trap 3, I will start later mentality, the killer excuse. Every month you delay, you lose thousands in compounding. The biggest myth, I don't have money. You have priorities. $10 daily equals $300 monthly. That becomes $1.36 million. Here is your exact action plan. 5 simple steps. Step 1, start today, right now. Download an app immediately. Step 2, start small. $50, $100, even $25. Step 3, set up automatic investing. Automate it completely. Step 4, diversify. 50% index, 30 mutual, 20 stocks. Step 5, do not touch it. Forget it exists for years. Bonus, increase 10% yearly. This doubles your final results. You choose, keep wasting money or build wealth starting today. Start right now. Share this. Your compounding journey begins today.